I'm back. I'm excited. Today I'm going to be doing another Mielle review. Today I will be reviewing the Rice Water collection. So this is my first time ever trying this collection. Check out my cute little reel that I did using Mielle's Rice Water treatments, or well, Rice Water collection. That way you guys can achieve this look at home as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Sorry y'all, I had just used it, so it's a little dirty, okay? But this is the Rice Water Hydrating Shampoo. Okay, so I do like how this smells. I personally think that all of Mielle's like shampoos smell good, and none of them smell the same. When I wash my hair with this, it gave me like a tingling, like peppermint sensation. Like, I really love the fact that when I wash my hair, I like to feel the wash. Like, I like to feel my hair like, oh my gosh, my hair is getting clean. Oh my gosh, my hair is clean. Like, I love all of that. Like, the sensation of it, it feels really, really good to my hair. I like the Rice Water collection because of all of the benefits. Like, and then it's a whole regimen to it. So this is the shampoo. This is the Mielle clay mask, the Rice Water clay mask. So I do not think Mielle has any other hair masks with their other collections. Like, they have the deep conditioners, you know, they have the styling gels, but I think this is different. This is phenomenal. Like, when you do a clay mask on your hair, it kind of just sucks out, like it kind of just detoxes your hair. So I kind of want to show you guys. Yeah, like, it looked like a regular mask that's like you would put on your face. What you want to do is, after you wash your hair and, you know, make sure your hair is nice and clean, you want to go ahead and apply this and leave this on for about 15 to 30 minutes. You can actually use this on your body as well. You can use this to hydrate your skin. Like, it's like a detox. Like, it literally detoxes your skin, your face, your hair, your body. Like, it just literally detoxes everything and pulls all of that dirt that we can't see, the dirt that we try to wash away, the dirt that we try to, like, you know, get from up under our skin or even in our hair follicles. This particular mask, it just like sucks it out. But the good thing is, it doesn't make it dry. So like, it locks in hydration, but it also like removes all of the dirt that, you know, you can't like really see. I think that's something that I really, really like this. It's like versatile. Like, Mielle doing their thing. You know, they're trying to do like hair, body, skin, like not just hair. And I really like that. I really love this. So if you're a hair mask type of girl, you can do this like every 2 weeks. Like, you know, if you want to do like a protein treatment or something like a hot oil treatment or something like that, you could definitely add this into your regimen and get that hair nice and clean, okay? So the next product that is a part of the Rice Water collection is the deep conditioner. Now, I don't know, this might have the ooh, it smells so freaking good. Oh my god, like, I can eat this for real. Like, it could just be that I'm hungry, but this smells so good. I like a good consistency when it comes to my conditioner, and this particular conditioner does that just for me. Like, it's nice, it's thick, it smells amazing, and I love how I can instantly see my curl pattern when I put the conditioner in. Sometimes you gotta like brush that boy through. With this, I feel like it kind of just restores all of my like my natural oils and just like my whole, like my entire natural state. Like, the rice water, like the aloe vera, like them put together is phenomenal. Like, the aloe vera grows, the rice water kind of like restores. You know what I mean? Like, it's a perfect combination. I think out of the entire collection, I'm not gonna lie, the deep conditioner, that's my favorite one. I'm not gonna lie, like, I love deep conditioners. Like, I love going to sleep with my bonnet and my cap on. And don't let me put the dryer bonnet on. It's over. Oh my goodness, I'm knocked out. Do you hear me? This is the Moisturising Milk. So I actually used this when I did like my little rubber band method. You can actually use this for like styling. You can use it for styling. It's really good, like if you want to do a twist out, you know, it's really good for hydration. And the good thing is you can put this on wet hair, or you can also put this on dry hair. So like whatever your preference is, when you style your hair, you put it up in a ponytail, or you're getting ready to put some braids in or some twists, or whatever protective hairstyle that you may have in mind, you can definitely use this. This is really, really good. The consistency is not, it's like, it's perfect. Like, it's not bad. You know, like I feel like you don't need a whole lot of this to put in your hair, especially like if you spread it out evenly, your hair will definitely get all the moisturizer and the hydration that it needs. Our next product from the Rice Water and Aloe Vera collection is the Braid Gel. Baby. I use this particular gel to do this. Like, my edges are laid, my braids are fresh. Like, I feel like if you are doing like some straight backs, box braids, tribal braids, like any type of protective hairstyle, even if you're like doing some braids up under your wigs and you know your hair get a little frizzy, or just like, this is it. Like, you want this. I really, really, really appreciate the fact that, first of all, everything just smells so dang on good. Like, clearly I use it. You can also use this on wet and dry hair. I mean, of course, if you get braids, like, you know, you want to use dry hair. That way your hair won't be matted when you take your braids out. But I like the fact that it's gel, but it's not like, it's no alcohol or anything. So it's like you're still feeding your hair good products while you're also like trying to protect your hair at the same time. So that's like a double whammy. Like, that's a no-brainer. This, y'all see my hair? My hair is, girl, my hair is cute, okay? And the Rice Water did that for me, baby. Don't be trying to achieve this hairstyle and you going out there and you're trying other products, you're going to be sick about it. The next product that we have from Mielle is the Mielle Aloe Vera Itchy Scalp Relief Gel. Like, okay, this, I wish they would put this, so they have like this oats, so their oats and honey collection. Hold on, pause, time out. So Mielle has this oats and honey collection that I also did a review on, and I'll make sure that I leave like my little bar, that way, you know, if you guys want to pause right here and go check out that video, you can. But they have like this travel size stick for like itch relief for like your scalp, because I grew up with eczema in my hair. I did not really have proper natural hair. I didn't get that type of attention to my hair because, you know, my mom was always on the go. And, you know, at the time my hair was super thick, so perms was where it's at. However, they have this itch relief like bar. It's like chapstick. I really wish that this also came in like a little stick where you can like squeeze it out or something, travel size, because I don't think that I could travel with this. I mean, I could travel with it, but I don't think that I could take this bottle with me. And because sometimes my scalp my scalp goes so crazy, I need this. So I really like this. It really helps with relieving my eczema. It really helps with relieving when my scalp is like super dry. I'm really not a big fan of, like, I do like oils, right? Don't get me wrong, I oil my hair, and they got some balm oil that, you know, I'm gonna dive into later on, or do a part 2 of another collection that they have. But the itch relief, it just hit different, especially like when I'm about to do a deep conditioner and, you know, I just want to relieve, like, I'm just, you know, I want to massage everything and just give my scalp and my hair all the love that it needs. The itch relief is where it is. Like, I haven't had any problems. It literally, I don't even need a whole lot. Like, you literally need like a dime. It's like, I don't even know if y'all can see that, but you don't need a lot. That's one thing that I can appreciate. One thing Mielle does is they make sure that they package their products to a certain quantity, to the point where it's like, you're not gonna be like, dang, I'm about to run out. Like, they give you a lot. And on top of that, because of how well and strategic they put their products together, you don't even need a whole lot of product to achieve certain looks, or to even make sure that your hair is hydrated. For me and my 4 little C head, it works out for me perfectly. The last product, ooh, so the last product, it smells so good. So the last product is the Sheen Mist, the aloe vera and rice water Sheen Mist from Mielle. Go ahead and spray a little bit of it. You can apply this on damp hair, dry hair, short hair, long hair, protected hair, old curls, new curls. It's like a refresher. It's like finishing spray on makeup. Like, it just sets everything off. It just puts everything together. And I really, really appreciate this because I don't have any I don't have any Sheen Mist. And like, I like the fact that it comes out misty and not like, you know, how oh my goodness, how oil Sheen spray out and it's just like fabric softener. You know, I don't really know. It's like Febreze or something. Like, I like how it comes out. Like, it's not too oily. Like, it gives my hair like that finishing. Ooh. Like, I don't have to really worry about my hair frizzing up or anything like that. It kind of maintains the frizz, locks in moisture, and also leaves your hair hydrated. So, like, it's a no-brainer. That is it for the rice water collection. So, if I could give the rice water collection a grade, I would give the rice water collection an A, only because I have sensitive scalp and I cannot use everything in my hair, honey, or else my scalp will freak out, my hair will fall out, and I will be looking like Beetlejuice. I love how it smells. I love how it makes my hair feel. Not too many collections have a clay mask that goes within the regimen, so that stuck out. And on top of that, I can use the clay mask on my body. I do have eczema on my body, and I will do a different video on, you know, my skin regimen and everything like that. But for Mielle, baby, you know where it is. You know, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review. I really hope that you guys get a chance. If you're looking for new products, you're a new natural girl, or you're recovering, or you just need some new products, the season is changing, so the regimen has to change, go ahead and check out MielleOrganics.com. If you're anything like me, I didn't really know what products I needed, so I did go ahead and take the My Hair quiz. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Let me know down in the description box, was this helpful? You thinking about getting Mielle? Is there anything that you want to try? Like, if you guys have any questions about any of the other reviews that I have done, make sure you guys look down in the description box. You guys can check out my other reviews. But I really love y'all, and I'm very happy that y'all spent this time with me, but I got to go. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe this video, and put a thumbs up. And click that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. So I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.